Hey, thanks for stopping by. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I'm excited. I won an award. Check this out. This is from the ARRL, which is the governing body for amateur radio operators, and this is an Elmer Award. Now, an Elmer, in case you're not familiar with it, is a person that helps other people with their amateur radio operation, whatever. And I got this award presented to Tom Stiles, KE4GSK, and I'm like, how did I get this? I got it yesterday. I was like, how did I get this? I don't remember helping anybody. And it says, in recognition for providing unselfish and benevolent assistance to a novice radio operator. And I'm like, I don't remember doing this. And then I look down here. This is the person that put me in for this award, which is Doug, KE5CDK, and Doug is the person that has been helping me with that DMR radio. So, if anything, he should have gotten the award. I sent Doug an email and I said, is this backwards or what? And no, he said, this is, I put you in for this for your doing your show, your YouTube show, and helping people get into amateur radio. So I really appreciate this, Doug. I need to set one up for you for helping me get my DMR radio going. I definitely was a novice when it came to that DMR radio. So I'm amazed and a little flabbergasted. Okay, a little update on the radio, the DMR radio, with Doug's help, and he's helped me a ton. I mean, he has spent a number of hours setting up the data files to program that radio for me. And he's been very patient with me, helping me learn what DMR is all about. So I have the radio now through his help programmed, and it's working, but I did not get the proper charger or AC adapter for the charger with the radio. I got the one for like European and other countries that have that funky looking plug. So Tuesday, Cherry has sent me the correct one, and I should get it according to my tracking of United States Post Office. Get it Tuesday, this coming Tuesday. So then I can recharge the radio and do some demonstrations of the radio. I've learned a lot about DMR, and I'm still very much a newbie when it comes to DMR. I probably won't try to explain DMR. There's several good videos out there on YouTube, and I just kind of generally mention how it works when I do the review, and then just show you the radio and its features and stuff like that. So that's it. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up, and thanks Doug for your help and for the award. Pretty nice little hard paper award. Pretty cool. This came in the mail. This wasn't an email that I had to print out. This actually came in the mail from ARRL. Amazing. Bye-bye.